Hello, welcome to part 2 on how to make your own web browser. I know the first part had quite a few errors in it, but I've fixed them all and now it's a proper web browser. So part 2 is basically going to be adding the refresh buttons and all that crap. First job you'll need to do is you'll need 5 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They need to rename them. Backwards. Backwards can go there, but you resize it smaller. Backwards. You need to code them. The code is easy. Webbrowser 1 dot go back. And that's simple. That's just how to make it go back. And it's the same for the rest of them. Like refresh, webbrowser 1 dot refresh, blah blah blah. It's just the same. So watch this. Forward. But that can be resized to backwards and forwards there. So that's backwards. Now forward needs to be. So that's easy. Web browser 1 dot go forward. Next button will be home text home. So I forgot to put the capital on home. Home. As you might have seen in the first one, go at web browser go home if there's no text. At home button was also home. So web browser 1 dot go home. Next will be refresh. No, stop I'll do next. And then refresh last. Stop. With a capital S, obviously. Stop. Web browser 1 dot stop. Then final one, refresh. This will be your refresh button. Or if you can't fit refresh on, what's this? Just write ref. Refresh. Because I understand that's short for refresh. There. Web browser 1 dot refresh. Now let's test them all. Okay then. YouTube.com. Go. There, YouTube. Google.com. This is going to be testing back and forward. So